Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday!
Ganda yan oh! Hello guys, I will make a birthday cake para kay Daddy! We need cocoa powder and flour and some sugar and some salt and some baking soda and baking powder, and we need oil and egg and coffee with water and milk and vanilla and vinegar. Let's go start mixing, but I need mommy's help.
Oh, let's go place let's place.
Add mo na ako na.
Sugar.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow, winding sugar and flour sugar. Cocoa powder now. Ang
No.
cocoa powder. Ma'am?
No.
Wow, bango ng cocoa powder.
Doing
Super.
this para
Nagagawa
tanggal
mo,
yung mga buo-buo.
nagagawa mo din yung mountain oo.
Okay, how about this one? That's the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Oops. Baking soda.
Ako.
Oh. Good. And some salt. Good. Now,
Nawawala yung bobo. Ako
Oh.
naman.
okay.
Let's go mix the dry ingredients.
Correct.
Ito, dami. Meron sugar, meron flour, tapos meron salt. Madami. Let's go place egg here.
There's the egg.
Oh, I will.
Gradual lang, not all. Unti-unti. Dahan-dahan, baka matapon.
Wow, 4 bilog, right?
Yes, it's a 4 circles.
Let's go put the odds. May tatanong ako how yung secret. Let's go put the milk in. Let's go put coffee with water. Coffee water. Next is vanilla. I will put here.
Oh,
Ubusin. The last is the vinegar.
thank you.
Thank you.
And this would be our last ingredients. Good job.
I will put the baking paper here in the pan.
Okay, let's go put it.
Here.
Yes.
Parang,
Okay, para hindi siya didikit.
let's go mix this
And
and
let's put it in the...
in the pan.
Okay, let's go.
Tingnan.
Be gentle, ano.
Tingnan. Ito. Mommy will cook the cake in 50 minutes.
A few minutes later.
We are back. Mommy done to cook our cake bread.
Okay, correct. Now we are going to make...
A frosty.
What do we need to make the frosting?
Vanilla and milk
Butter?
and all the sugar.
Let's start the butter. That's the butter.
No. Yeah.
Now, let's put it close. And let's
Open it.
mix it.
Let's go place the powder sugar.
Okay. Just like what we did kanina. Okay, let's place it back again.
Let's go place the cocoa powder.
Okay.
So good.
So good.
Let's go place milk. Let's put vanilla.
Let's put vanilla. Let's... Ooh! We will place this in the piping bag. And after that, saan natin lalagay? Very good. In the fridge.
We need hot milk and chocolate.
Pumalsik. Now we have to mix it. Oh.
Ikaw na lang mag-mix.
Why you don't like?
We are done making the chocolate ganache.
Yeah, let's show it to them. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
Assemble time.
Oh, and take note, here is our finished cake bread. I'll help you. Ako na kayo ng shot. Okay, let's place it. Oh, yan, you swipe it. Come on. Good.
On daddy.
Tada! Bago kami matapos, ubos na ni Zane yung mga nilagay na frosting. And that's okay.
Ay, sikat lang ako sa... Yun. Wow. That's so cool. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you.
Sa loob. Dapat konti lang.
Happy birthday to
Sa inyo nagpapasabi.
you! Let's go decorate our cake.
Yeah, we will use our chocolate ganache. Okay. This is what we are going to do, is to drip it. Yan. And then, drip it again. Okay. Let's place it on the top. Where do you wanna place it? Oh, tusok mo.
Napunta sa inside ng sticks. Dito
Yan,
sa...
yan. Sige, sige.
Yan.
Here. Some mallows.
Some marshmallow. Umaralo kung paling to.
Ito.
Oh.
I'm placing it now.
Bakit ang dami sa...
Oh, no.
M&M's.
Oh.
Waiting.
Kailangan kasi dito lang siya sa side. Okay, go.
That's nice. Hero, we're done. We're done! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday! Ganda yan oh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,